Hey everyone guys, today I'll talk about how to add or remove a password from Windows 10. So let's begin. So all you have to go to your start button, click on start button right here and go to settings. And so once you are in this page, you have to go to your accounts, click on accounts and click sign in option. And once you're in this page, go to password and click on password. Since I already have a password in this PC, is you can change it from here, and if you don't have a password you will see an add button here. So these two things you will see, and only if you change button only appears if you have a password in your PC. So click on change. So you have to add your current password that you have in your PC. So type in your current password and then hit next, and you can write in the new password you want, or if you leave it blank and you want no password when you start your PC, so you just have to leave it blank and put a hint in there as no password. So I put a hint as no password, then click next, then click finish, and there is no password anymore. You see guys, so there is also an add buttons here, so that's only appears when you don't have any password in your PC. So in order to add a new password, you need to do the same thing again. You need to click on window, go to settings, click on accounts, go to sign in option and hit password. Once you hit password, you can add the new password that you want. So I'm gonna add the new password and confirm the password, the same password you already put in the password section. And if you want to put a password hint, you can do that, otherwise you can leave it blank. It's totally up to you. And since for remembering my password, because I have a lot of password in other sections, so I'm just leave it as a hint. And after you finish these requirements, and you hit next and hit finish. So once you hit finish, and in order to see that you actually change your password or not, you can restart your PC. Then you are able to log in back with the new password that you put in. So I hope it helps. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and see you in the next video guys.